Let me show you a reverse lunge with the barbell. So I'm going to pick up the bar and just put it on my shoulders. Of course, you can step underneath the bar at a squat rack. And I'm going to show you this from the side. So I've got a nice tall chest, nice tall posture. From here, I'm going to take my left foot and I'm going to back pedal. And I'm going to aim for a 90-degree bend in my front knee. And if you're just starting out, you might be somewhere up here. And then I'm going to exhale and press my feet back together. This is going to be an alternating lunge, so I'm going to reverse back with my opposite leg, and then exhale, bring my feet forward, matching my feet together. I'm going to show you from the front. When I step back, it's advantageous to step a little bit to the side, so you can see how there's some space between my feet, as opposed to my feet being on a tightrope. And the reason I do that is just for a little bit more balance. So it's a reverse lunge, slightly off to the side, exhale, feet come together. Same thing on the other side, giving myself a little bit of distance just for a little bit more stability. Exhale, feet come together. So that's your reverse lunge with a barbell.